How to fix YouTube black screen in PC on Chrome. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, and the most effective fix is open Chrome and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on settings, and from the left side toolbar tap on the system option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for use graphics acceleration when available, and then tap on the relaunch option you see there and relaunch your Google Chrome and see if that helps your issue or not. If not, then tap on three dots again and then tap on settings and then tap on the privacy and security option. Here, tap on the delete browsing data option and then go ahead and choose all the checkboxes you see here, and then tap on the more drop down and select all time option. Finally, tap on the delete data option and see if that helped in fixing your issue, as this will clear your system data from Google Chrome. If not, then tap on three dots again and you will see the option for extensions. Place your cursor there and then tap on the manage extensions option, and further go ahead and disable all extensions or simply remove them and then restart your Chrome and see if that helps in fixing your issue or not. If not, then tap on three dots again and then tap on help, and then you will see the option for about Google Chrome. Tap on that and then go ahead and install any update you see there. Once reinstalled, go ahead and relaunch your Google Chrome and see if your issue is fixed yet or not. If not, then tap on three dots again and then tap on settings, and once you are in Google settings, tap on the reset settings option you see there and then tap on the restore settings to their original default option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on reset settings and your issue should have been fixed by now. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube black screen PC Chrome. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.